Hey guys, my name is Gil, and today came in one of my birthday gifts, which is actually the Chromecast from Google TV. So we're going to be taking a look at it. Simple thing about this, I just want it for YouTube and Netflix. Best thing about it, actually comes with a remote that has both the buttons, so I don't have to connect my phone to it. Does work in 4K, HDR, and HD. I'm going to be using it at 1080p TV, so I really don't mind. And it's just that, something simple, you know, for an older TV that I also want my mom to be able to use and just kind of have the smart capabilities without her having to connect her phone, which is one of the main problems. So, oh, it's so small. Nice. Start guide. Oh, okay, so this was the concern for a lot of people, that since it is, oh, I thought it was going to be rechargeable remote. It is not a rechargeable remote, it's actually battery powered. Huh. Okay, so I saw that a lot of the comments when this got released that since it's Type-C, that is going to take more power to power on the actual Chromecast, and that it didn't come with a power brick. It does come with a power brick, I'm glad to say. So it is actually 5 volt, 7.5 watt charger, Type A to Type C on the other end. I'm gonna assume that it does require more power than the old ones, but I'm gonna try to connect this to my TV anyways because it does have enough power delivery to charge my iPhone. That's really weird, I know, but I've had to do it already. It has 2 USB ports and I don't have anywhere else to plug in. I plug it in directly to my TV. So I hope that this can actually power this Chromecast. If not, it does come with a power brick. I know that was one of the main concerns. It does come with batteries. These are AAA batteries. If you do have some rechargeable ones, I would recommend that. I thought that this remote would be rechargeable compared to the Apple TV, that it does have the smaller remotes that are rechargeable. Oh, just come with that soft material. Oh, this remote weighs absolutely nothing. It does have volume rocker on the side. I'm assuming that's going to be the actual signal power. Will this be able to turn on my TV? That is great question. YouTube and Netflix. These were the 2 main buttons I was really looking forward to because my mom doesn't like to connect her phone to the TV. She says it's too many steps and it used to drop connection all the time, and it still does to this day, so that's why I wanted to go with this one. It would be nice if you could scroll with it like the old iPods, but let's see how that works. And it actually does come with a voice assistant, main reason why I wanted it, because I want to be able to yell at it and tell it to do things. And mute button and home. The moment you've all been waiting for, this thing is stuck. Ooh, super nice. So we see that Type-C port there, 1 button on the back, and I'm assuming this LED to tell you if it is powered. Even though there are different colors, I wanted the white one just for the remote. It would look much cleaner in my living room having this white remote. Plug it into the wall. Come over here and plug in that nice Type-C cable. Ooh, we got power. Very simple, we're gonna plug this into your HDMI. Sweet. Hold on, you told me to do something. What? I didn't even touch any buttons. What do you mean? Okay, so it is not a scroll wheel. Continue, start exploring. Ooh, well, oh, so it's like propaganda. Oh, okay, so it's definitely like the Apple TV and stuff. Okay, I didn't even have the option to do anything. I'm clicking the buttons, but nothing's happening. Did this thing just downright just die in front of me? Why is it? Bruh, what is going on? This doesn't do anything. There we go. Okay, so you can use it signed off, which is the main thing. I want it signed into my actual YouTube. What's the weather like? What is $1 US in Colombian pesos? Nice. What is the distance from here to California? One thing I've noticed, it takes a long time for anything to load. And yet again, the volume rocker does nothing. I don't know why. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you need any questions on this, let me know. I will actually reset it and connect it yet once again in my household. Thank you guys so much for watching. That actually has been the Chromecast, and now I'm just gonna enjoy a little bit of YouTube. Check out more of my videos. Subscribe. It's right over here. Watch these videos. Go.
Today, I paid $9 for AirPods Pros.
2 videos. Subscribe. Go.
Now, the way it's done